Can I ask what the fuck's going on?
Okay, so...
Ow!
Oh!
From a distance, we couldn't see who it was. And then they ran over here. Cox didn't know Thomas was in his car. So he thought he just got in Thomas's car.
Why would I get
Cox
in
started
the
shooting.
officer's car?
What the fuck?
So he just started shooting, and then Thomas pressed his panic.
Oh my god. Like, I went
We
to
did
change.
We did just get a grenade. We just got grenaded.
Yeah, I went to go change and come back, see a car pulled up in the parking lot. And then Thomas get lit the fuck up. I thought it was someone else. I didn't even see Cox over there.
What the fuck?
And then fucking Cox came
over here
and
and beat the shit out of me.